There are many different varieties of card readers that may be in use on open solutions tills. This particular one is called a proximity reader. It is contactless, which means that you don't actually need to make contact with the reader in order to read a card. You just wave the card over the top and it reads in. Typically these have a USB connection and they only read proximity cards. You can't read magnetic cards with them. Most of the tills that we supply come with a magnetic swipe reader which looks very much like this. This is one off an NCR unit. It's one of the newer ones. Although they do come in lots of different varieties, different shapes and sizes, although they do all have the exact same function, and that is to read a magnetic card through it. This particular one is off a POS 1500 till. Other variations include this one, which again is from a POS 1500 unit, but it also has a Dallas fob reader at the bottom, so it can read Dallas fobs as well as magnetic swipe cards. Obviously these card readers here are not attached to a till. Just to show you the variety of readers, these are currently detached. This particular one here is off a Frontier unit, which is a type of till that we supplied many years ago. Here we can show you how to clean a card reader. It's very important that they are maintained and well looked after in order to ensure that your till system is running as well as it should do. So you can see here we have a cleaning card. You can buy these in packs of 10. You just simply swipe the card through the reader. They are moist, they're soaked in a cleaning solution, so you swipe them through the reader and hopefully that should get rid of any dust and dirt which is collected inside there. So you can see there that there's obviously some dirt that has come out from in that reader. If you clean the readers round about once a month as a minimum, that will ensure that any residue from drinks and dirt will be removed from the reader, and it just ensures that the cards that you're swiping through them are detected properly and you don't have any issues with that. The third type of reader we're going to show you here is what we call a smart card reader. These are not used extensively. They tend to be used in a few Irish clubs because they're particularly useful for the GUI cards. They have a chip on the card, as you can see, and you just simply slot the card into the front there and that will read the data from the card. As far as actually swiping the card through a reader which is attached to a till, you can see here there's a magnetic stripe on the back of this particular magnetic card, and it usually indicates on the reader the way in which you should swipe it through, so the stripe will either face inwards or outwards. With a proximity reader you typically have them either on the desktop or they can be attached to the side of the till. Usually you would have one of these instead of a magnetic reader. As you can see here, you would just simply wave the card over the reader